Dear friends, worshipers of Jesus Christ, I want to invite you to this wonderful opportunity for worship leaders, musicians, vocalists, sound engineers, prayer warriors. If you're on the worship team, this is for you.
I would like to invite you to a live worship school, which will take place in Sacramento, California, August 1st through 6th. We're so honored to have amazing teachers such as Bob Serge, Dr. Terry, Alexander Shevchenko, and many other very anointed teachers.
As I pray before the Lord, I understood that our generation needs to change. We need to become worshipers, first of all. Father in heaven is looking for worshipers. In our days, He's looking for you. I believe that this school and conference will unite churches, denominations, people from different cities for one reason, and that reason is to worship the Lord.
Я возношу на Твой алтарь сердце